I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version and making a full backup. This protects data if something goes wrong. Once done, disable automatic app updates in settings so the older app won't be replaced. Connect your device to a Mac or PC with the old IPA file or access to Finder/iTunes. You need developer or Apple ID credentials if the app is signed. Now, proceed to transfer the file so you can install the previous build. You'll now install the older build through Finder or iTunes. Drag the IPA onto the device's app area or use the install option. This forces the older package onto your phone. Make sure the IPA is properly signed with the same Apple ID or enterprise certificate because unsigned packages will fail. If the app developer provides a test flight archive of the prior version, use that path instead. It's simpler and signed. After loading, check permissions and trust the device profile so the app runs. Finish by restarting your iPhone and opening the app to confirm functionality and data integrity. This clears temporary caches and finalizes installation. If the app crashes or refuses to open, remove it and reinstall the exact same signed IPA or restore your backup to revert changes. Should installation fail with signing errors, revoke and renew the provisioning certificate, or examine device console logs for the error code, then re-sign and try again. If nothing works, contact the app developer with the log details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.